What's the best way for a beginner to invest in gold? Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about investing in gold. How much should you invest and when should you buy it? Remember that I'm not an attorney, stocks broker, and everything I say is for entertainment purposes only, and you should always talk to an expert. Before moving on, remember to subscribe and to smash the like button. Tons of people think that investing in gold is pointless, but gold is money. The rest is considered debt. Investing has its ups and downs, just like a roller coaster. Sometimes you can lose it all, but other times you will be able to triple your investment without any problems. Just like everything in life, there are risks associated with anything that you do. It's best to buy small amounts of gold. Buy it little by little. When gold prices are high, the price of gold-related stocks will rise as well. Remember that investing in anything has its risks and rewards, and you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. Right now, we have the dollar about to collapse, and the so-called experts say that you should invest in gold, silver, Bitcoin, etc. But if you decide to go with gold, I suggest you diversify and keep gold at a 10 or 15% of your investment portfolio. If you want to invest in gold, there's a lot of things that you need to know. And it's been a while since the US dollar is not backed by gold. So is it really a good investment? I think it is, since gold is hard to find. They cannot print it yet, like they do with all currencies. And people think that it will protect them against inflation in case their currency disappears in thin air. Like supposedly, it's going to happen to the US dollar very soon. And that's why gold is a good option for an investor who wants to protect themselves. There are many ways to invest in gold. Physical gold. There's mining stocks, there's ETFs. And gold comes in many ways. And one of the most common is gold jewelry. We have gold coins, gold bullions, and this one has tons of value because of its purity and its mass. But how do we buy gold? Well, all we have to do is go to Walmart, since they have a secret aisle behind their technology department, right behind their TVs. Just kidding. Obviously, you just can't run to any store and grab a gold bar, but you can definitely go online and buy it there. Just be careful. Just be careful where you shop and where you leave your personal information and your money. Some sites will sell coins directly. Others will provide trading platforms for individual investors. Another way of getting into investing in gold is through mining stocks or ETFs. You can purchase ETFs, and this is what probably everyone is using right now because of its convenience. And you don't need a vault to store it. Even though having a vault filled with gold sounds very appealing, but it could also be risky, and your home security would need to be very tight since you will be storing it. And one of the benefits of ETFs is that you can buy and sell it very quickly. Basically, if you're thinking about investing, diversification is key. And gold provides protection from inflation, and millions of people are waiting for the financial system to collapse. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.